Hello everyone. Today, we're assembling our adorable Christmas ornament Granny Square Chicken, perfect as a festive gift or decoration for your tree. To get started, you'll need 2 granny squares. Place them together and join the sides by either slip stitching or sewing. Leave some sections open for stuffing later. Now, let's add the chicken's crown. Starting from the upper corner, attach your red yarn. For the first comb, chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch. Then work 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and slip stitch into the next stitch.
In our backyard, chirps and songs, whole flocks waiting all day long. Color pops amidst the green, prettiest sight you've ever seen. From dawn to dusk, they bring delight. With every chirp, they take flight. Little eyes, a gleaming light, they turn the gray to purest white. Spring arrives, they greet the sun. Happy times for everyone.
Moving on to the second comb. Slip stitch, chain 3, and make a double crochet in the same stitch. Then work 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and slip stitch into the next stitch.
Christmas chicks, they gather close, feathers soft as winter's ghost, golden beaks and tiny feet, in each heart a steady beat. Christmas chicks are forever loved, brightest stars shining up above. In the snow their tales we weave, magic nights you won't believe. Our backyard chirps and songs, whole flocks waiting all day long. Color pops amidst the green, prettiest sight you've ever seen.
Finally, for the third comb, slip stitch, chain 3, double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitch all in the same stitch.
In our backyard, chirps and songs, whole flocks waiting all day long. Color pops amidst the green, prettiest sight you've ever seen.
Once the comb is complete, finish off your yarn and weave in the ends inside the chicken to secure everything neatly.
In our hearts, they always stay, bringing joy in their own way. Christmas time, they gather close, feathers soft as a winter's ghost, golden beaks and tiny feet, in each heart a steady beat. Christmas chicks are forever loved.
Now, let's move on to the final touches for our chick. First, the beak. Take your thin yellow yarn and join it 1 block away from the crown. Chain 4 and slip stitch back into the same stitch. Finish off your yarn and secure the ends by weaving them neatly inside the chick.
From dawn to dusk, they bring delight. With every chirp, they take flight. Little eyes, a gleaming light, they turn the gray to purest white. Spring arrives, they greet the sun. Happy times for everyone. Hopes and dreams they gently tuck, never just a passing luck.
Next, the eyes. Grab some thin black yarn. Attach it to round 3 of the granny square and tie 2 to 3 knots to create the eyes. Once you're done, finish off and weave the ends securely inside.
Christmas chicks, they gather close, feathers soft as winter's ghost, golden beaks and tiny feet, in each heart a steady beat. Christmas chicks are forever loved, brightest stars shining up above. In the snow their tales we weave, magic nights you won't believe. On that jar chirps and songs, whole flocks waiting all day long. Color pops amidst the green, prettiest sight you've ever seen.
Now to finish the body. Stuff your chick lightly with yarn scraps or any filling material you prefer. Sew the belly by stitching along the upper square edge.
In our backyard, chirps and songs, whole flocks waiting all day long. Color pops amidst the green, prettiest chicks I forever loved. Brightest stars shining up above. In the snow their tales we weave, magic nights you won't believe. On that jar chirps and songs, whole flocks waiting all day long.
Finally, let's shape the tail. Using the remaining yarn, stitch the back corner of the chick in a circular motion. Pull the stitches slightly tighter to create a cute, gathered tail effect. And that's it, your chick is done. If you'd like to use it as a tree decoration, simply make a hanger. This versatile ornament can also work perfectly for Easter or as a gift for chicken lovers. Thank you so much for crafting with me. The full tutorial, including the detailed pattern, is available in my shop. Check the info box for links. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next video.